Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove green screen using Kinemaster application. To remove green screen on Kinemaster is a super easy process. First of all, make sure you launch open the Kinemaster application and start up a new project. Right after you create a new project, this will open up your editing screen. Once you do that, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Media and import your footage. You can import both your green screen video and the background video you want to replace it with. First of all, I'm gonna select a background video. Go ahead and get to your camera roll or other sources provided by Kinemaster and select a video clip. Once you've selected a background video clip, go ahead and get to the timeline. Click on Layer on the right hand corner. Now from the menu, click on Media. This time, import your green screen video clip. Select the green screen video clip and add it onto your timeline. After you do that, click on the tick mark at the top right corner and then make sure you go ahead and place your green screen clip onto the desired location on the timeline. Now make sure you resize your green screen footage by dragging the edges on your previous screen or using the rotate tool. After you go ahead and do that, you will be able to see that there are several menus popping up on the right hand corner. In order to remove this green screen effect, go ahead and look for Chroma Key and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Enable and then you will be able to remove green screen from the clip. You can also go ahead and experiment with the Chroma Key settings provided on the bottom. Increase or decrease the opacity. Use Show Mask, Detail Curves and other key color tools. Right after you do that, you can now play your video. That is how you will be able to remove green screen from Kinemaster. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.